Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have the DEERC Jet Boat. It's the DE95 RC Brushless. So let's open up and see what we get inside. So you get your directions in there. And then you get 2 batteries. I actually have one charging as we speak, just so we're ready to go. And then you have your remote. Has your steering on it, forward, backwards. And then this is your battery compartment. And it does come with a little Phillips head screwdriver, which is super helpful. And then it takes 4 AA batteries. And we'll just put that back on. So that is your remote. This is the boat, super cool looking. And it has that little protective piece on there for transportation. And then you have your lock and unlock here. And that will open that compartment up. And give you kind of a really cool look at the inside of the motor. So it is liquid cooled, which is really awesome. Then that is your battery harness. So let's get the battery ready to go. And to give you an idea, that is the battery charging terminal. And then this is going to be the motor power. Basically put that in there. And it'll give you a little chime and say it's awake and ready to go. So we put the battery in there. The compartment like that. And then we'll lock that compartment. And then your little rudder control, so that goes back and forth for steering. And it's looking for us to put it in water. So we'll get that going here in a quick second. And then let's go down in the water. Okay, then we'll turn the boat on. Couple seconds and we're hooked up. All right, so it's got some pretty good range to it. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.